Hey guys, in this video we are going to make this decor pillow and I hope that you enjoy the process. So I have tried to explain step-by-step process through text, so follow along and you will just know what you need to do. If you have a question, please put it in the comment section below and then I'll be able to answer. Also, if you have any clarity or anything that you'll want to add, just write in the comment section. For those who are new, welcome to my channel, and those who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. Please leave a comment, like and share. It will help me to grow my channel and to make the video to reach more people. So thank you so much, and let's just get along with it now. So guys, what do you think about this video? Please put it down in the comment section, and I hope that you enjoyed watching. See you in my next video. Bye.